Pinayagan ng Sandatahang Lakas ng Pilipinas ang OPM singer na si Ogie Alcacid na magtanghal ng mga konsyerto sa mga kampo militar ng AFP bilang suportang moral nito sa kasundaluhan. Nagtungo sa Kampo Aguinaldo sa Alcacid at binisita si AFP Chief of Staff General Eduardo Oban. Siya ay sinalubong na Brigadier General Jose Mabanta Jr., ang opisyal na tagapagsalita ng AFP, at Colonel Arnulfo Marcelo Burgos, ang Public Affairs Office Chief, at Lieutenant Colonel Sam Sago ng NCR-CRS. Nilagdaan ni Mabanta on behalf of AFP Chief of Staff General Oban at Ogie Alcacid ang kasunduan at ang unang konsyerto itinakda sa Abril 27, 2011 alas 6 ng gabi sa grandstand ng Kampo Aguinaldo.
It's just our way of saying, kaming mga performers, kaming mga artists, we're here for you. We are behind you. Sinusuportahan namin kayo. Sinusuportahan namin ang inyong bagong leadership. And let's start anew, kumbaga, di ba? So, imagine with all those things happening and nandun yung mindset nila, must be difficult for them. So, I think, as artists, marapat lamang na gawin namin.
We've just signed a memorandum of understanding. This is only, hopefully, the start. So, as what was informed to everyone, we will start in Aguinaldo and probably go to Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. The dates and venues still to be determined and to be announced.
Si Brigadier General Jose Mabanta Jr., RH 911, Bing Formento ng DCRH Nationwide.